Okay, we are continuing with our Hispanic Heritage Research Project. I will be going over slides 4 and 5 right now. So this one is about being celebrated or famous. You can be both, yes. Reason why this person is celebrated or famous. Frida was very famous for her art. If you remember in 5th grade, we read a story about her. I'm going to pause for just a second so it will jog your memory. All right, so I found it. Do you remember reading this last year in big red? Talked about Frida Kahlo right there. So if you still have your big red around, at your house and you're picking Frida Kahlo, you can for sure use that as one of your research text. So I know why this person is celebrated, why she is famous. And then what you're just going to type in, this needs to be probably 3 sentences. I'm not going to just put painting. She wasn't just famous for painting. It was more than that. You need to give more. You're in 6th grade. You got to give, let's say, 2 sentences to 2 to 5 sentences. You got a big box. Give me some more information. And then you're going to put in a picture doing their job or whatever they're famous for. Her job was creating art. And so I'll go back to that. And I always put Frida Kahlo painting. See if I can find anything. I really want to have a picture of her painting. So maybe I'll just do that and see if I can find any picture of her painting. I'm not finding anything I love. So then that means I go to Google. Frida Kahlo painting. And see if I can come up with anything here. I'm not quite sure. Go back over here and then I'll just go ahead and I know because of this, when we read Big Red last year, this is one of her very famous paintings, as is this one. So I'm going to use that one. I'm going to go back. I know I saw that in here somewhere, right here. Yep, I'm going to put that in there because it's her doing her job, which is painting. Again, you can change the shape or whatever you want to do with that. And then the last thing you are going to do is tell why you picked this person. So for my reason, it would be, I picked this person to research because I think her paintings are very interesting and I wanted to learn more. Don't put because they are cool or they are good at soccer. Give us more. Then you need to tell why you think this person is inspiring. Inspiring means what have they done to cause other people to want to be like them, do things like them. For me, I think she had overcome a lot of problems. If you remember, she had polio, which was a very bad disease that ruined her one leg. She was in a bus crash that left her in bed for months and months. I think it was inspiring because she taught herself how to paint herself. Remember, she used the mirror. She would look at herself in the mirror. And this is all right here from Big Red. So I'm using my connection with last year to do this. Then you can do a picture of the person being inspiring. You might not find a picture of them being inspiring, but find a picture that inspires you. How about we do that? A picture of the person that inspires you. So I would find one that I find inspiring and I would paste it over there. Now, the only problem, well, one of the only problems I have with this Explore button is that you don't know if it's authentic or not. I do enjoy doing the Google search when I'm trying, like right now, I don't know if she really painted that or that one. Somebody else might have been inspired by her and painted these. So I really need to make sure I have an authentic picture for her. Then the last box you will fill out is what resources you use. In this example, I used our fun Big Red from last year. So I'm going to put Big Red from 5th grade. If you need more information, I could tell you the unit and the lesson, the week, whatever. I also used Get Epic. And I also used Google Images. So that's kind of what we need to do. I will say you need to put the title of the book here. I do not remember the title. I could go back easily. I thought it was just Frida. But I do want to make sure I'm modeling this correctly. Oh, it's just titled Frida Kahlo. And it even says the author. So I could copy that over. Come on. I will type in Frida Kahlo and then paste it. It will be nice if you would make the font all the same if you do something like that. And we are done. So if you need more help, a few things you can do: message your teacher or myself in Hangouts. You can send us a message on Google Classroom, or you can use Parent Square as well.